still on a mission to find a wheelie friend. Doubt it's gonna happen, but it doesn't hurt to try. Person has a freaking fishing pole hanging out of their car.
Today's the day. It's a 1995 Nighthawk 250. We're gonna trade it in on a CBR 650F.
Dude, that was insane. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video on the channel. This is the WheELIESendit channel, where I record myself doing fast, fun stuff on a fast motorcycle for your enjoyment and for my enjoyment because it's fun. Today, I'm just riding around, to be completely honest. I might meet up with a friend of mine later on. He rides an R6. But my first order of business today is I'm going to be going to a pretty cool road that is next to the water, and I'm going to try and get some cool cinematic shots of the bike, if I can find it. Hopefully I can find it. U-turn! It is so beautiful out today. The weather is like perfection. Got some poofy little clouds in the sky. The sun's out. Oh my gosh. I really need to find a wheelie friend. And it's been a long time since I've ridden with somebody who wheelies. I'm gonna need gas at some point here. So my New Year's resolution this year is for when I get new tires on the bike, I'm actually gonna practice using the rear brake. One, it's probably more fun to do that. Two, it's a lot safer. Garbage! Funny enough, actually, the road I'm going to has some corners on it, but it's like super residential. So going fast on it is just not really something that's smart. This is like an absolutely beautiful scenic route. There's some nice houses on this road too. But like, look at the scenery, man. It's just breathtaking. Let's see if we can get the bike back. I'm short, guys, alright? Leave me alone. Come on, little guy. Yeah. Yep. Oh, yes. Look how gorgeous this is, dude. Should probably take the key out of my bike. It's mine, dude. There's like a fish jumping over there. Dude, this makes me miss where I used to live. Although where I used to live right now is probably like 2 feet deep in snow, so kinda don't miss it that much. But eventually I'm gonna have a place down here and a place up there. This is just gorgeous though. I mean, look at that. There's literally a boat, a sunken boat, just chilling. Like, it has algae growing on it. I bet you this has been there for months, if not even longer. It's probably been there longer. I mean, that thing is destroyed, dude. That's what I'm saying. It's like there's just random boats everywhere, just like mauled, just chilling in the water, and they don't clean them up for some reason. I don't know if they just don't want to spend the money to clean them up or what, but look at that. Okay, let's get some pictures with my phone, and that should be enough photography for today. Alright guys, that was fun. It's a pretty spot. Now it's time for the next pretty spot. I need gas, dude. I'm gonna catch up with those guys. Oh yeah, that's an R1, dude. Yeah! Motorcycle friends, dude! Let's go! Let's go, dude! Alright, make a carefully executed U-turn. That person has a freaking fishing pole hanging out of their car. Motorcycle friends! I like your bike, man.
Oh, thanks, man.
That's the one I want to buy next. I want to ride fast, boy. You do wheelies? No. Yeah. Yeah, a little bit. A little bit. Yes, sir. Should I give him the max pass, dude? That freaking 300 took off though. She was on it. That's so funny. She launched so fast. Yes, sir! Woo! So many bikes out today. Let's go, dude. Please don't run me over. Thank you, sir. Much appreciated. Why'd I go to this one, dude? That one's like cheaper, I think. I'm gonna go to the 7-Eleven, dude. Thank you for not killing me also, dude. Perfect time to check my phone and change the batteries. If I can get the kickstand down. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, we're all filled up. Cost me less than $15. It's the first time in a while. It's still expensive, but that's better than it's been, I feel like. Could be wrong. Could be wrong. Alright, my R1 and Ninja 300 friend have left, gone separate ways. Still on a mission to find a wheelie friend. Doubt it's gonna happen. But it doesn't hurt to try. U-turn. Dude, I've made so many U-turns today. Here's the question, do we wheelie under the bridge, dude? Do we or do we not? Just a little baby one. Oh, do I want to turn around? Oh, this guy's gonna ride like a grandpa. He could have sworn he was booking it, man.
2,000 years later.
That was painful. Guys, I need to find a friend who rides like me, so that way I'm not the only lunatic. I'm hungry. I'm going home. So maybe on the way back, I'll meet a friend. there's motorcycles everywhere, but none of them want to rip dank nooners, you know what I'm saying, dude? Oh, we have a motorcycle coming up behind us, but it's a freaking bagger, dude. It's a big boy. Sometimes they do nooners. It's rare, but they do. No way. That's hilarious. No way. He's back. How's it going? I like your bike. It's nice. What?
But it's fun.
Yeah. You just out cruising around? Cool.
I call it therapy.
Yeah, throttle therapy. That's right. Oh, you ride safe, all right?
Huh?
Ride safe. Yeah, he's an old dude, but he's cool. Should I max pass him? I don't know. I feel like some people you just should like leave alone, you know? I don't know. He's a nice guy. He's just chilling, out for a nice ride. I need new tires. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Stay tuned to the channel for more motorcycle content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.